Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Boost. My name is Anna, and today I have a special story for you, especially if you're a young man who sometimes feels a little unsure, a little nervous about speaking up or trying new things. This story is called The Lost Key to Confidence. Are you ready? Let's begin. A small town by the sea, there lived a young man named Alex. Alex was 22 years old, tall, kind, and very smart. Everyone liked him. But there was one big problem. Alex was terribly shy. Whenever he had to speak in front of people, at university, at work, even with new friends, his heart would race, his hands would shake, and his voice would become so quiet that people could barely hear him. One day, Alex's boss said, "Alex, next week we have an important meeting. I want you to present our new project to the whole team." Alex's face turned pale. "Me? Present? In front of everyone?" he thought in panic. No. I can't do that." That night, Alex couldn't sleep. He walked along the beach under the moonlight, feeling sad and frustrated. "Why am I like this?" he whispered to the waves. "Why can't I be confident like other people?" Suddenly, he noticed something shining in the sand. He bent down and picked it up. It was an old, beautiful golden key. Strange, there were no locks on the beach. As he held the key, a soft voice spoke from nowhere. "Young man, this is no ordinary key. This is the key to confidence. But it is broken. It has been lost for many years, and its power has faded." Alex jumped in surprise. "Who said that?" An old woman appeared, smiling gently. She had kind eyes and silver hair. "I am the guardian of courage," she said calmly. "Long ago, this key helped many people find their voice. But to make it work again, you must complete 3 challenges. Are you willing to try?" Alex looked at the key in his hand. His heart was beating fast, but something inside him felt hopeful. "Yes," he said quietly. "I will try." The old woman smiled wider. "Good. The first challenge begins now. Challenge 1, speak to a stranger." The next morning, Alex woke up with the golden key in his pocket. The old woman's voice echoed in his mind. "Your first challenge is to speak to 3 strangers today. Not just hello, have a real conversation. Ask questions. Listen. Be brave." Alex felt nervous. 3 strangers? Today? Oh no. But he remembered the presentation at work. He took a deep breath. First, he went to his favorite coffee shop. The barista, a friendly girl named Mia, smiled at him as usual. Normally, Alex would just say 1 latte, please, and look down. But today, he looked up. "Good morning, Mia," he said, his voice shaking a little. How are you today?" Mia looked surprised, but happy. "I'm great, thanks for asking." "Busy morning. How about you?" They talked for 5 minutes. About coffee, about the weather, about her new puppy. Alex's hands were sweaty, but he did it. Later, he spoke to an old man at the bus stop. Then to a student at the library. Each time, it got a little easier. That evening, the key in his pocket felt warmer. A soft glow appeared. The first piece of confidence had returned. Challenge 2, share your idea. A few days later, the old woman's voice returned. Second challenge, share one of your ideas with someone who can help make it real. Alex loved designing apps. He had a secret idea for an app that helped shy people practice speaking, like a virtual friend to talk to. But he had never told anyone. Now, he had to. He went to his best friend, Tom, who was great with computers. Tom, Alex said, heart pounding, I have an idea for an app. He explained everything, nervously at first, then faster and more excitedly as Tom listened with wide eyes. That's brilliant, Alex. Tom shouted. We should build it together. Alex couldn't believe it. Someone liked his idea. Someone believed in him. That night, the key glowed even brighter. The second piece was restored. Challenge 3, speak your truth. Finally, the day of the big presentation arrived. The old woman's voice spoke one last time. Third challenge, speak your truth. Not perfectly. Not without fear. But honestly. From your heart. Alex stood in front of 20 colleagues. His boss, his teammates, everyone. His knees felt weak. His voice wanted to hide. But he touched the golden key in his pocket. It was warm now, almost hot. He took a deep breath. Good morning, everyone, he began. His voice trembled at first. Today, I want to share our new project with you. He spoke slowly. Sometimes he paused. Sometimes he said but he kept going. He explained the project clearly. He shared his ideas. He even made a small joke, and people laughed. When he finished, the room was quiet for a moment, then everyone clapped. His boss smiled proudly. Great job, Alex. Really great job. Alex felt something new inside his chest, light, strong, warm. That night on the beach, the old woman appeared one last time. You did it, she said softly. The key to confidence is whole again. The key floated from his hand and shone like the sun. Then, it dissolved into golden light and flew straight into Alex's heart. You never needed a magic key, the old woman whispered. The confidence was always inside you. You just had to use it, one brave step at a time. And then she was gone. From that day on, Alex was different. Not perfect, he still got nervous sometimes. But he spoke up. He shared ideas. He helped others who felt shy, just like he used to. And his app? It became real. Thousands of people used it to practice speaking and find their own confidence. And that's the end of our story, dear friends. Remember, confidence isn't something you find once and keep forever. It's something you build, one small brave moment at a time. Maybe today, you can try challenge 1, speak to someone new. Or share one idea you've been keeping inside. You can do it. I believe in you. If you liked this story, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Talk Boost, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Tell me in the comments, what is your biggest challenge with confidence? Let's help each other grow. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.